Hey guys, it's Tom with another status update for Dodgeball. So kind of wanted to show now that the ball collision detection is working, I've started adding in other bits of collision detection as well that is going to be useful, especially to illustrate the point for the gameplay that I kind of envision here. The first thing I'll definitely show is that the motion routines have now been consolidated into a single routine for both the players and the ball. Right now, this actually means that the player is going to be moving at the same speed as the ball. This needs to change, but it's just an interesting side effect for just a little bit longer. The other major thing too now is that if a player takes and picks up his parent ball, which has the same color as the player, then they can take and throw the ball. Another thing you'll notice too is that the ball has a limited time of motion or decay, so to speak. So the ball only stays in motion for maybe a second and a half. I'll be tweaking this a bit as I start playing around with it and messing with things a bit. So as you can see, throwing is also implemented. Throwing is pretty simple. You just take and hold the fire button along with the joystick direction in which you want the ball to go, and it will go in that direction. If it rebounds if it hits a wall or an obstacle before it has a chance to decay, of course Pong Logic will be applied. And you can use this to great strategic advantage as well. So you can use it for bank shots, different things, and the like. Because the Pong motion is going to be extremely consistent, you'll be able to take and build a strategy off of it. But the other major thing that I wanted to definitely show was that there is a strategy element involved in picking up the ball. And yeah, you will be able to pick up the other player's ball too, but I'll have to make a special collision detection routine to handle that particular case as well. But I mean, as you can see, we can take and throw the ball, and it works within reason. It's not exactly perfect yet. I still have to fix a few things to make it 100%, but you can kind of see where things are going now. Next thing up will be to implement some rudimentary scoring and collision with the player, so that when we collide with the player will take and bump out of position ever so slightly. So you can't just keep hitting the player. So yeah, that's it for now. Until next time, guys.